alam mo, I think I'm authorized to say this, no? Pero nung nagkakaroon ng mga BBM resign na calls, she didn't like it. And contrary to popular opinion na parang gutom na gutom daw siya sa power,
no? Kasi nung lumalabas para bang in fact there was even several parang insinuating that she was the one.
Ayaw niya.
Parang no. So ayaw niya.
Categorical. I'll show you the messages. Ayaw niya. Sa kanya nga parang, sige, I mean, constitutional right niyo mag-rally, siyempre. No? Pero for her, sabi niya, hayaan na lang natin matapos yan. Para this is her words, and I think I'm authorized to say it, for them to realize the final Marcos mistake. Her words. Kasi, pag naghunta tayo ngayon, alam mo, ang military junta, halimbawa, I think sa Chile dati, 1973, nagkaroon ng military junta. Si General Pinochet, 17 years in power. Right?
Yes.
Yun yung junta. At least ito, alam mong 2028, matatapos.
Malapit
pag naghunta, hindi mo alam kung hanggang saan, baka hindi matapos.